Hi everybody, happy Monday. I just wanted to share some new goodies that came in today. So it won't take very long, but I'm just excited as usual. So the first thing I wanted to share is the new welcome pack. So when you order for the first time on the new Tula XII website, you get your welcome pack for free. And you can find the code in the group. So let's see what it has. I have not opened it. I just opened the box because you know how difficult it is to open a box in the middle of a live. So DIY bookmark kit. Oh, that's so cute. It's upside down. There we go. Now it makes more sense. Don't judge me. It's been that kind of day already. Washi tape. Here's a little welcome letter card. We got die cut sticker. Oh, that's so cute. This one says create something beautiful. Journal card. A creative life isn't built all at once. It's made one page, one idea, one small moment at a time. So cute. A little mini stick-in. Adorable. And it says currently loving, sipping, watching, reading, working on. And then a mini sticker sheet. Oh, how cute. How cute. So there is the welcome pack. I got the page by page journal prompts, I think. So it's 50 prompt cards. And it's a deck of 50 creative invitations designed to help you start journaling. Memory keeping, planning, or creating. So let's open one just so we can show you one so we can see. So that's what it looks like, and oh, that's the instructions. So here's one prompt. What chapter are you in right now? Describe your current season of life using words, images, or observations. If you're artistic and like to draw, that's for you. I like to draw, but I'm not good at drawing. But so there's that. I got the new washi tape for September and August, because now you can get them ahead of time, more than 1 month. Got the art of planning and journaling goodie pack. I forgot what it's called. My gosh, accessory pack. I'm all discombobulated, so sorry about that, everybody. But so there's September and there's August. Comes with the sticker sheets, the stencil, journal card, and a coaster. The journal stick-ins for August and September. So there's September, and then there's favorite. I mean, really, I love all of this. I got the Say Less mini journal project because I forgot to get it when it first released, so yeah. So this one comes with prompts. Yeah. Oh. That was Say Less. This is After Hours prompts, Day Off prompts. Keep It Moving prompts, Out and About, and Fresh Start. And then we got the sticker sheets. Sticker sheets. Oh, this is real pretty. And you got the mini papers. And then tiny things we're remembering, and then you can just fill in. So there's that. If you have not gotten the mini journals, you can use them in your regular journal or your planner. Depends on how you do it. I personally don't have a lot of extra room in my planner to add cutesy things like that, but I use washi tape and stickers to make it pretty. This is the Style Planner Edit for junk journaling. There's this dash card. Stickers. More stickers. And then the oh, I like this pad. The pad that it comes with is a desk reset, and you have contact reminders, calls, text, emails, want to do, need to do, need to schedule, follow up or follow through, and need to research, learn. So it's really cute. Keep it at your desk, keep it at work, keep it at home. And that is it on the new goodies. I just was so excited to share all of this, especially the new welcome pack. So I can't wait. Remember, when you order, don't forget to add your welcome pack and use the code welcome26. So have a great rest of your Monday, and I'll be seeing you